Hello everyone, welcome to geometry class of standard 10th. This is our 6th lecture of this chapter 12, areas related to circles. Children, when we had discussion on deleted portion, so from this chapter, all those sums where the central angle is given 120 degree, those are deleted, and there are hardly 2 or 3 sums where the central angle is 120 degree. Otherwise almost all the sums are uh, there for the exam. Okay, very few sums are deleted. So from the from the exercise 12.2, one sum was remaining. So we will try to complete that sum first, then we will proceed with the next exercise. So let us begin with exercise 12.2, question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. Let me show you the figure. This is that design. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, and take value of root 3 as 1.73. Right. Now you observe this cover very carefully. The outer figure is a circle with radius 28 centimeter and a regular hexagon is inscribed in it. Right. So what we'll do, we will divide this circle into 6 equal sectors, and the design is made at the corner, which is segment in shape. See where the design is made, this portion. So all these, they are segment of the circle, and we have seen how to calculate the area of segment of the circle. First we find the area of sector, then we find area of triangle, and from the sector's area we subtract area of triangle, so that we'll get the area of segment. So same way we'll proceed. We will find out the area of one segment, and there are 6 equal segments. So we will multiply that area by 6. Understood? Now let us proceed. So here radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. Since the circle is divided into 6 equal sectors, the central angle theta or the sector angle theta is equal to 360 degree divided by 6, that is equal to 60 degree. Let me show you the diagram. After dividing that circle into 6 equal sectors, your diagram will look like this. Okay, where the central angle is 60 degree. So first of all, let us find out the area of sector OAPB. So the area of sector with theta 60 degree and radius 28 centimeter is equal to, formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Now substitute the value of theta. Theta is 60 degree divided by 360. Pi you take 22 upon 7. Radius 28 into 28. Simplify this, cancel out the terms. So you will get area of sector OAPB is equal to 410.67 centimeter square. Right. Now the area of one design is in this yellow portion, which is segment in shape. So area of one design is nothing but area of segment APB. So to find this segment's area, we need to calculate area of triangle OAB also. So we'll see what type of triangle OAB is. Right. So in triangle OAB, angle AOB is 60 degree because it's a central angle, and OA is equal to OB. Why? What is the reason? OA is equal to OB because they are radii of the same circle. So this is an isosceles triangle. So base angles equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. You will get 60 degree each by angle sum property of a triangle. So in this way, all the three angles of this triangle OAB is 60 degree. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. And we have direct formula for calculating the area of an equilateral triangle. So we'll apply that formula. So area of triangle AOB is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. So root 3 upon 4, side is 28 square. Value of root 3 is 1.73, you can substitute, into, after cancelling this 4, so you will get 28 into 7, that is 196, and their product is 333.3 centimeter square. So in this way we have calculated the area of sector OAPB, also area of triangle OAB. So therefore area of this yellow portion, segment APB, is equal to area of sector minus the area of triangle, and their subtraction is 77.47 centimeter square. So this is the area of one design. There are 6 such equal designs. So you multiply this area of one design by 6. So the answer is 464.82 centimeter square. This is the total area of the design shape. Now cost of making per square centimeter is 0.35 rupees, 0.35. So whatever area you have got here, you multiply with 0.35. So you will get amount as rupees 162 and 68 paise. Understood? So in this way we have calculated the cost of that design, or the area of the design and the making cost of that design. I hope you understood this sum. So shall we start new exercise? Yes. So next exercise is 12.3, question number 1. Find the area of shaded region in figure. Let me show you the diagram here. This is the diagram figure where PQ is 24 centimeter, PR is 7 centimeter, and O is the center of the circle. Shaded portion means the portion which is shown in orange color. So that area you have to find out. So O being the center, this QOR is the diameter of the circle. So therefore angle RPQ shown here, angle RPQ, this angle is how much? 90 degree. Reason, angle in a semicircle, or other way you can say diameter subtends right angle on the circle. So by that property this RPQ is 90 degree. Now in triangle RPQ, so what type of triangle is this? This is a right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree here. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Two lengths are known to you. So this angle P is 90 degree. So its opposite side is RQ, which is hypotenuse. So RQ square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. So PQ and PR lengths are given to you. You substitute 24 square plus 7 square, that their sum is 625. So RQ square is 625, taking square roots on both the sides. So you will get RQ is equal to 25 centimeter. Right. So now to get this shaded region area, what we will do? We will find out the area of this triangle RQP. We will also find out the area of this semicircle, and from this semicircle's area we will subtract this triangle's area, so that you will get the area of the shaded region. Right. So first of all, let us calculate area of triangle RPQ. It's a right angle triangle. So the formula is half into base RQ into height RP. Substitute the values. Half into 24 into 7. So on simplification, you will get 84 centimeter square. So this is area of triangle RPQ. Now we'll find out area of semicircle. So area of circle divided by 2. So pi r square divided by 2. So half 22 by 7, and this radius diameter is 25. So 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. Simplify this. So you will get area of semicircle as 245.54 centimeter square. Now let us perform the subtraction to get the required shaded regions area. So from this semicircular area, we'll subtract the area of triangle. So therefore, the area of shaded portion is equal to 245.54 minus 84 centimeter square, and the answer is 161.54 centimeter square. Understood? Now next. Question number 2. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure. So shaded means the portion shown by yellow color. If the radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively, and angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. That means the central angle is given 40 degree and the radii of two circles are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively. So how to get the area of that shaded region? We will find out the area of bigger sector first. OACO again, right? And we will also find out the area of smaller sector OBD. Bigger sector and then area of smaller sector. So then what we'll do? From the bigger sector's area, we will subtract the area of smaller sector, so that you will get the area of shaded region. Right? So let us proceed. Radius of the outer circle is 14 centimeter. Central angle theta is 40 degree. Therefore, area of sector AOC is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square is the formula. Substitute the values. Theta is 40 degree divided by 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square is 14 into 14. Simplify. You will get 616 divided by 9 centimeter square. Right. This is the bigger sector's area. Now we'll find out the smaller sector's area. So for that, the radius of the inner circle is 7 centimeter and theta is same 40 degree. So therefore, area of sector BOD. See from the figure, sector BOD is equal to again theta divided by 360 into pi r square formula. Substitute the values. 40 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So the answer is 154 upon 9 centimeter square. Now let us perform subtraction to get the shaded region area. So area of sector AOC minus the area of sector BOD, that is 616 upon 9 minus 154 upon 9. Denominators are same. So perform the subtraction of numerator. 462 upon 9. You keep it as it is. Further simplify. Both are divisible by 3. Simplify it. So you will get answer as 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So the area of shaded region is 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So I hope you understood all the sums which we have done today. So you keep trying, keep practicing, and that's all for today's lesson. Let's meet in the next lesson. Till then, goodbye.